to all the fans, to
Good
all
morning.
the listeners tuning in this morning.
Right.
We say Mbulumanaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show on gloomy Monday morning.
Yes.
And salika kamburaki na vite fema na matagdi ko.
Very
Kita bono
gloomish.
tayo kanigo.
Yeah.
Ni na maru tagi chiko na vito kania na bono tangani borong bulu bikin na nota banu bagakina.
Dono minaka.
Era na dono vito kania na via seburburra vito kan rumai.
Yeah.
And na mona liba ni VTFM.
Good morning to the Matayvalu of Burnham.
Right?
My Christchurch Municipal
Really?
Antonia Burnham. Tokan may Vito Lawrence kay Rambelo.
Nabotin niya yan.
Ngole to may ngole baka buli ni Silandi.
Right.
Pinabali usaran do abata buli may.
Right. 110 na JC304.
Yeah.
May rock band mo na mga sa tumikin ko na cake ha. Very good morning to you and all the passengers this morning.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Nice cake.
Yeah.
Nice banana cake.
Yeah.
And nice pie.
Nice
Right.
driver.
Well, nice driver too, eh?
Karena ko kibini nangon buli ha so baka kibini nangon buli di se tambak. Se kati bitu kan nangon ngo.
Iyo, hey, saya lang naman.
Ya saya batin so bola kan korni buli.
Right.
So saya ana chungo batin bola kan korni buli.
Right.
Kung malang
Sa po ruso bulgon dami wan. Hey rangon. Di ba ko totol. Care please.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Naman nga meron doon naman nangon niliw. Yung olden days, eh?
Dinasar.
Iyo. Hosepipe.
Dinasar.
Tamaning guawa.
Iya dinasar.
Kaya doon demis na ba?
Oh, may matangali.
Iyo.
Ni asgen we walk now RSL eh.
Right.
We walk from the village right to
No mo RSL to na ko. No mo.
No mo amembuno. To school.
Iyo.
Like we spend 35 40 to 50 minutes walk.
Oi.
When we use main road,
Iyo.
that's like 5.
Yeah.
When we cross cut,
Iya.
it's good but it's slippery.
Jay that you say good morning to you.
Oh, malo tabata.
Jadi tibiu.
Yeah.
Morning.
Thank you very much for the invitation letter to Taman Relevo.
Right.
Fully with the grog session early.
Right.
Karena katia to ya burangingia ngane body RSL.
Right.
Kakin bimel ne adale wala bida turang night.
Belum nak.
Tamay grace talaga.
Iyo.
Sama chico mayan matagli ko. Mikibri ka na rabi toli. We say good morning to you all.
Right.
And all the passengers, na Tagiro bus, na shop bus,
Ito naman
na
naka.
DCs,
Right.
basi niruwang ka, basi di Bula, na tapatali. Na basi di Tamay Don.
Oh, Tamay Don, may
Atuwa.
batukol. Nasibi batukol ang boleh na Tamay Don.
Yeah.
And not forgetting the blue bus, CWM hospital bus.
Right.
One follow two from the Kaunrobe.
Oh, who's?
The drivers.
Okay.
The driver is there. I always tune on every morning to your session.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. If you are listening, driver,
Yeah.
and also to all the passengers,
Right.
thank you very much. Even though the weather is unfavorable enough,
Right.
but we are
Favorable enough.
favorable enough
Right.
to come through
Right.
this
I just
morning.
went outside. I saw the Tonya.
Yeah. Oi.
Yeah, Tonya.
Oh, alam, tama siya.
Yeah,
Ano
Tsuma.
na ka, tamisay.
Right. Just went past
Teenagers.
Yeah, Wemanu Road.
Yeah.
Boleh nak tamisay binamalim Sara.
Ah.
Hindi kita katakan mana video film naman taka binakani kuha.
We say good morning
Yeah.
and congratulations to all the Nrua players that
Right.
have what's good. Ramai din kompetisi rito dobi.
Yeah.
Kapag kayo rin mo ni Madawa.
Yeah.
Ang musib talaga be kung ano da darbo sa Riz.
Right.
Sana sa may dapat talaga ito ni tutu da boy rong kina.
Right.
At doon naman
Ano
talaga
sa
marutaka. Iyo. Na may tambakar raw na wili butong doon ni skoa.
Yeah.
Waira ya matataka na bitimiso ya na sa dali super rugby.
Right.
His squad medam chuma nangono go 66 tries altogether.
Why?
Iyo.
Congratulations.
Last week,
Yeah.
they draw with a top try scorer,
Iyo.
TJ Paranera,
Iya.
with 65 points.
Iya.
Okay.
Last this Saturday,
Yeah.
the past Saturday,
Right.
he scored the
Another one.
Yeah.
to make it 66 all-time Super Rugby Pacific score.
Don't
Saturday.
Right. How?
There was a post about you in the Messi.
Yeah.
Push,
Scoring na try draw lumbu.
boy. You know. You know.
Try line.
This is from the TMO.
Yeah.
I watch it in this morning through the TMO.
Oh, okay.
Tobata.
Yeah.
Ginabali usar no munro ito bata kita manrelivo Mikael Galombula. They shoot me.
What happened?
That's
Pero
the top
tama
press
kiyaw.
scorer.
Iyo.
The top press scorer in the any style bar.
Iya.
He that try.
We
will never be
drinking
forgotten.
we drinking grog on Saturday.
Yeah.
We drinking grog on Saturday. You know what? That's murder.
What murder?
First degree murder. 11 o'clock he enter the room.
Iya.
He enter. Full bowl. Sosoko. Wait, Arabi. I was like this to Tabata.
Yeah.
Is this fella is okay?
Eh.
But we continue, but we like the grog session.
See, every Wulangi,
Yeah.
come to your house,
Right.
you become suspect tunga.
Right.
Please take away the suspects and
No, you know what? You know what?
mine.
We drinking grog there with the turang tama taji the timbu.
Yeah.
And taman relebu kam. When taman relebu kam, I said to the hey,
Yeah.
this fella is coming. When the parking is outside,
No.
I told the fella.
I stopped the car.
Yeah.
I told him, hey, he will call me Jada Timbu.
Yeah.
Buy me one cigarette.
Right.
So I just went and robbed the cigarette.
Yeah.
Because I'm working that night.
Melaba.
Him.
Him.
Yeah.
Yeah, waru. When he come there, no.
Him outside. He was
If
running.
anyone coming there,
Yeah.
you can go and pass. Yeah?
See.
When you go there, Abika Witaki,
Yeah, right.
and style is there. But I told them,
Yeah.
you know, they told, here, it's left, that grog.
Yeah.
Okay, it's left, you do grog, you
Yeah.
do. Nrongge ngundu po sarangay ni Kuangori.
Yeah.
Au nanta mo toy kemutalan wa.
Yeah.
When the brass close to the
Yeah.
kona buni kumingung ko sa doy na loko-loko.
Tralain.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot everything.
Look at all the listeners tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
The Messi is selling grog now at the Lolombu.
Right.
So the Messi is a grog vegetable farm.
Yeah.
Sama pa mo ko rin na Chinese kami.
Very good grog. But one thing I told him,
Yeah.
your grog very good.
Yeah.
Number one, I've tasted all the grog around the world.
See?
But your grog is very good.
Yeah.
Only when you give sosok mix.
Yeah.
Ano tagalibit? Eh, toko, no nakaro toko.
Yeah, toko.
Iyo.
Tawa.
Toko sanatan wat kula primary convent primary Nelson College. Woi satu lako ribu linggo.
Yeah,
O
mine.
toko,
Yeah.
o wat kula.
Yeah.
Ka primary,
O wat koloko.
o convent
Okay,
primary
Nielsen.
Nelson College. Rangole tunggo. Era pasin din imbasi.
Yeah.
O jauh roko besu.
Right.
Kalau mambimbi. My Germany.
Yeah.
My Frankfurt Prasad Jamina.
Maybe?
My Frankfurt.
Yeah.
Prasad Jamina malanga tabi uni nao baken dong bule pinaka mai. O they kona nun dong when we the fish outside and the
Nengani.
Nengani.
Right.
Good morning to the islands of Nengani.
Right.
Joining this morning.
Okay,
Ah.
who gave the sama kami tagal singko, who gave the bar, the
Authority.
any style bar?
Yeah.
Who gave the name?
Oh, my mom's son.
Yeah.
O lubin nung kunaliw.
Iya.
Big mama.
Yeah.
The son. City Beniturang tutua
Because
city.
that's the any style, eh?
Saya ketutani ba orang cuma babalang yang nama tadi.
He does what the bar's name, like the captain or the leader
Yeah.
of the bar lead by example.
You know,
Israel.
Anton Tokoso.
Pikir mau besuta kena ada nomu ba?
Maleta.
Iya.
Mama tak tegiko.
No, it's any style.
Yeah.
If I want to sleep, I sleep.
Okay.
If you want to
Semuris,
big
top
bone.
try scorer in the Super Rugby.
Huh?
Semuris,
Yes.
top try scorer in
That
the
proves
Super
up. That proves up.
66.
Yeah.
Oh, this one, only one try.
Yeah.
And that's the record too.
I was like this. Even I don't care. You take the photo, you take the video. When the any still want to sleep. You
want to-
I told them.
Or to
The
be
grog
ya.
there, the grog there, the water there, everything there. You grog, you close the door.
Membaya membau no koko ya. Melinda pun rumi kaku ditambah.
No,
Iya.
can't.
Oke, promote ka sunga na non tabu tu ba.
Yeah.
Iya,
Please kere-kere.
tu nongo taman relebu. O any still ban kena kapitan nimbuliangan na la mero chikuanga. Cikongori my Kuwait, all the way from Kuwait.
Right.
Tamay Gus.
Eh.
Kore namara nganilaw.
Yeah.
Thank you to the Pacific Harbor from Nabua this when Swanga.
Right.
Thank you very much. And 6 o'clock a.m.
Iya.
Still si Jay the Timbu.
Here.
Kaya Nruka Kino taman relebuya.
Oi.
After the grogging session, this fella still going on. Tell the story.
Yeah, matua, the fella driving in the Mtumbulo na matua taxi base.
Ano binaka?
Wake up in the next morning.
Iya.
The fella took the photo.
Still going.
Still going in the matua taxi base.
Still going strong.
I was like asking myself, is this fella okay?
Oke, Mika, dona ka mentor na tarong ha, mentor na takata meron teru
Iya.
support lagi.
Right.
Kung isapota ka
Okay,
ng
okay,
raking ko, kung isapota ka ng raking ko, nabutungan na kan.
Siko mo kuko mai, mo
Right.
tangane mai.
Iya.
Reda.
Tangan ni mata.
Iya. Ko sabi maraman din tiko.
Maraman din na may misi.
Before you drink grog,
Iya.
natabi ko tukannya.
I don't need. I eat like untuk kana, but I eat sa food. I eat sa kakana. Ningono tuya sa kana sa tunga.
Iko kila ni ba ko tiko na tsisa kakana.
No.
Ya kun taka ba?
Pun ka ba?
Kun ko kila ni ba mo mo tiko na tsisa kakana kun taka ba? Nakata metau sul kitim.
Kung nida ka ba may
Okay.
alsa.
Iko to grog metau kitim selala.
Di amesina metau tu.
Okay. Kena kayo ko rin ka next time. Mika, tabuli ko next time.
Iya. Akamu kan tulis
Kaya
ko
kayo ko nang Andreba, mo pawa na grog, mo kako di tambak ipo ko sumaya na chat Fiji.
Siko, iyo.
Eh?
Siko ko ya me sini bata bisinga.
Kaya kayo ko binakata mo,
Iya.
baka rukir-rukir ng basi kaya nilolombo sa kira-kira gobi ko tukay.
Iya.
Mga taon na kita mo, kana mo binaka,
Iya.
mo binaka ng biology.
Right.
Baka lala no mong gapo ko.
Wala ka mo kami ni burrito pa. Meron mo tala no ha? Era gela ko en
Nasa ka hindi na gina sa any style.
Exchange gift lagi raw.
Tolong ngunu manda na empty head. Nanda ke estate ndreketi madwata mbulare fala. Ngone ni siteti. Iya.
Siya nga iyo, kintin sana.
Iya.
Kaya kay Baya.
Raw ko litere na ulo nung pa may korbo na ulo lalaba.
Naulu bot. Sabo itin karon na miniti me wala koloko. Punjes.
Nawalam Sara, celebrating 90 years.
Ilay. Sera yang makin dilera dah. Dia nganti nawaka, nanding, nanti
Iya.
mantep maramanita.
Di nandon nundon
house.
Right.
Iya.
Ndana.
Nda. John Kumar, sabi na wali usara.
Hindi na Sara.
Victoria Pams.
Ya.
Iya, kan ngarep minta kaya.
Ah.
Wayaw.
Sana kita message na.
Au sa tunga musulian na tawako.
Iyo.
Kaya na timbiu.
Right.
Malat ang total ng pick up.
Iya.
Ngai tuko na ko ya. So bomay. O ko lang sa ngani mo na lori. Oh, tabi aw.
Maksud itu sih.
Gusto sa sino may ken ni ko turo oro ko diko chiku.
Iyo, atotoso.
Sa o sama ni boko na mutka.
Iya.
Sama ni ngolian.
Right.
Ya o sa ni kila. Ni
Nara maksud itu sih ayo ketemu ning guru. Tas
O sana sa kayo.
Ya, oh.
Eh nung kay mo tu ya, usakilatun do na video saya tahu sa gondo kay lewa. Sino mikila.
Kasi maroy chiko bikin na sar chiko may.
Iya.
Ano
Ano ko?
ko? Biyan ni ba malo na video Facebook.
Kuha ni buta mayaw na delete ka. Ang nangono ko,
Iya.
usa sa titi ko.
Uy.
Iyo me ngunuti.
Uy.
Lako ba binabi unati.
Ya, rin.
Satu ko cita timbi mato ko tabule. Dolawa.
Eh?
Kat serang guru bio.
Right.
Iya.
Nawala mo
Ake mo chiko kika. Kali
Kika.
chiko kika dro bonongo.
Iyo, iyo. O ka santong bulte ke munichu.
Sabo abo 5 na sekundi.
Dor mo na ka.
Hamar
ya?
demes, hamar demes.
Mika galong mo lang ko.
Iya, kuru